All with these heat pumps. These Ice Cube is a brand name, and this was all three large, designed to stop permafrost. But it's also it rejects heat. So, and when that system doesn't fix it before, but
yeah, that was just the same thing.
It's a lot of work putting basketball floor in and out. Like three times on a weekend.
I can do it on Saturday.
Yeah, they also practice hockey after, so it can be a lot of work. All of this is here on money. So we design buildings.
I don't know, he's taking a video.
That's right.
What's up, man? I'm just working with basketball. Yeah. It's all online?
Also goes all the way down and provides heat for all the rest of the building. We tie both sides together, bring in more outside air until the CO2 levels come back down. And then when the CO2 levels come back down, the outside air dampers close off and you save a lot of energy. That's called demand ventilation. So you only, instead of having older systems where you used to lock the outside air damper at 50% open and bring in this certain amount of outside air all the time, it costs you a lot of money. A lot of times they can pay their electric bill, but when you're going to come up with $12 million, either that or somebody, when they went out to practice hockey, what would they do? And they'd run for an hour.
And then by the time you get there, we went home.
Yeah. And it'd wreck everything.